Good evening. My name is Anunyo Rastogi and I am a student of class 12th of Delhi Public School, Bangalore South, CBSE board. This is the introduction video to my day-by-day progress video, day-by-day progress report for my college project. Now, all of the videos are going to be free flow, meaning they won't have any speech or practice before them. So I would like to apologize for any stuttering or mispronunciations beforehand itself. So I want to make a college project for my college applications for colleges abroad, primarily United States and or Singapore. And I have a keen interest for aeronautical engineering, so I wanted to make this project somewhat related to that. Apart from that, I wanted this project to be more hands-on, and at the end of the project, I wanted the result to be a research paper. So after researching about a few topics for some time, I was one day watching reels on my phone and I came across this reel where there was this particular individual who was talking about there is a new research going on where there is a comparison between normal wings and wings which have shark scales as the skin of the airfoil. Now, this topic really seemed very interesting to me, and I thought I could turn this into a hands on project. After doing a little bit of research and after finalizing that this is what I want my project to be, and I have made a timeline. And in this introductory video, I will be going over this timeline itself. Now, first things first, I don't have much knowledge regarding aeronautics. The thing is that when it comes to physics, I have a good hold on physics because I am preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and in grade 11th there was a chapter related to fluids. But the issue in that was that the fluids were more for liquids than compared to gases, and even for the liquids they were highly idealized: laminar flow, no turbulent flow, and it was not related to aeronautics. So my first objective, and probably in the first 1 or 2 weeks, I will be learning about the basics and the fundamentals of aeronautics, mainly the physical and the mathematical part of it. After I have a good hold on these topics, I will finally move on to designing my wings. Now, first, for designing my wings, I am going to use CAD softwares, CAD and CFD softwares. But again, there's the issue with that. I don't really know how to operate CAD and CFD softwares. So my first objective is going to be learning CAD and CFD. So most likely I'm going to buy an online course and learn these two things. After I have finally learned about aeronautical physics and mathematics, and I have a good hold on CFDs and CAD softwares, I will finally move on to make the wings. Now the wings are going to be very simple wings, and I'm going to be making a few variations of the same wing. So the wing will have shark scale textures, as I said before, but the layout and the pattern of the shark scales, I have to experiment with them. So in the CAD software, I will make 6 to 8 different types of variations of shark scales, whether it be layout or patterns. And after that, I will test them in the CFD on my computer, and I will finalize one pattern and one variation which works the best. After all that has been decided, after I have finalized my wing, I will send off one normal wing with no shark scale, just a plain skin, and one with the selected shark skin, and I will send it to a company to get it resin printed. While it is being printed and getting ready for me to use it, I will make a physical wind tunnel at home. It will be around 1.5 to 2 meters long, and in the wind tunnel, apart from smokes, I will be having 2 3 different sensors. Primarily for now, I'm thinking I will be measuring drag force and lift force, and I'll be using a pitot tube to measure airspeed. Now these are the three sensors I have thought for now. Maybe in the future I will think of another sensor, but for now this is what I'm thinking of. I probably won't be doing pressure sensors because pressure sensors are rather complicated, and for amateur wind tunnel and small resin printed parts which are going to be around 12 centimeters or 15 centimeters, I don't think pressure sensors are going to be that accurate, and rather it's going to be much complicated for me. So for now I'll be focusing on drag force and lift force. After I have began testing on the wing, I will start collecting data at different angles of attack, at different velocities, and I will at the end collect all the data and make a research paper about it. In the research paper, with the data which I've collected, I will be comparing these two different types of wings, and I will come to a conclusion how much more better is the shark scaled wing in my wind tunnel. Now, of course, my wind tunnel is an amateur wind tunnel, and it is nowhere in comparison to professional large scale wind tunnels. So my end results will be very far off from the actual reality of how it is. But again, this is for my college portfolio, and I have a lot of interest in this subject, so I'll doing it more for my learnings and what I will, and the process how I'll go through. So this is the overall template or the overall timeline I'll be following. And again, as I said, I will be making day by day videos about documenting my progress, and this will also act as the proof of that the project was done by me. So thank you for listening to me, and I will see you on day one where I will be talking about what I did that day.